Hello, this is our creating a silhouettes assignment, and I have a slideshow for you. We're going to start at slide 4, and it says look for an image in Google search, and you guys know how to do that. They suggest a dancer. I'm going to do a soccer player, and but you can do whatever you want. And then it says do a PNG. You don't need to do a PNG because I'm going to show you. You can use any image and make it transparent, make it a PNG. So we used to do it like this, where you would put in the word PNG, and then you would get ones that looked like they were transparent. But the problem is that you couldn't. They weren't really transparent. So many times you just downloaded something and it didn't work. So I'm just going to show you how to do it yourself. So I'm just going to look for images, and this looks great. Okay, so let's go to the next thing. So it says right click on the image, or you can just scroll across it and it'll show you how large it is. So this is a pretty large image, and that's great for working with photos. So I'm going to use it, and I'm going to right click on it and hit save image as, and it came up as a JPEG. JPEG and PNG work well. I'm not sure about a WebP. I don't use that very often, and I don't know much about it. So, so this is my soccer player, and I'm going to download it. It's a JPEG. Then it says go to Pixlr editor. Well, actually, I'm going to have you just go to Pixlr, and then I'm going to show you something new. I'm already signed in. I'm going to go past these and come all the way down to this remove background. So remove BG. There's a remove BG in Pixlr, which is awesome. Select photo. I'm going to go and get my soccer player. It's on the desktop. Where's my soccer player? Okay, right here. And I uploaded it, and look how fast that did it. I didn't have to do anything. You want to keep it on a transparent background instead of a white or a black or anything like that. But transparent, isn't that awesome? So it used to take us a long time to do that. So I'm going to click save, and then I'm going to say soccer player no BG for no background, and click save. So I know the difference between the two. I have the original and the other one. So now I'm ready for Pixlr Editor. So I'm going to scroll up to the top and go back to Pixlr Editor, not X, but Editor, and open the image. And I'm going to go get, oh, I think it's in my documents. Okay, here it is. And it says I can resize the image, and it says that you can resize it, and it'll be better for memory and minimize lag. And I'm going to go ahead and click web, and actually that's the size that asks you to make it anyway later. So I'll just do that, and that looks great. We've got him on a transparent background. So, and there on the instructions it says it should look like that. It does. So I'm going to go on. It says in the adjustment menu located at the top of the screen, go to hue and saturation, which is right there. And then it's going to say take the lightness and go all the way over and hit apply, and look, it's already a silhouette. So now it says, now let's add the background. First, change the canvas size by going to the image menu and choosing canvas size. Now, if you go up here, there's no image menu. I don't know when that changed. Just go to page and set page size. We're going to say canvas size is the same. So you can see it looks exactly the same, and it asks you to change your size to 1280 by 720, 1280 by 720, and actually ours is almost that way anyway. And then hit apply, and that still looks pretty good. And ours looks like that, and it says it may not be on the canvas. We could like unlock it and move it around, but ours is on the canvas. Okay. Oh, actually, it's going to have us unlock it right now. So I'm going to unlock the background. And see, then I can move it around. So if yours wasn't on if it wasn't on there, or if you wanted to make it a little smaller, maybe I'll make it smaller. You could do that then. Okay, so I have the background and it's unlocked. And oh, and it just said that you could adjust it and move it around, which is, if you need to, that's great. Then it says add a new layer, but going to the layers menu at the top and choosing new layer. So we're going to go to the layers menu and go down and get new layer. So now we've got 2 layers over here. Then it says in the layers menu on the right hand side, left click and drag. I think you can just click and drag and like pull it to the bottom. So now we've just switched places. So now background's on the top and layer 2, which is the new layer, is on the bottom. Now we're going to change the color of the background. To do this, you have to click on the top swatch here on the color. And I'm going to click on that. And then it says, of course, you can pick any color that you like. Okay, and click OK. And then you've got to make sure you're on the new layer, which you wouldn't think would be you'd think you'd want the background, but we're on this layer, the bottom layer here. And I'm going to go get the paint bucket and I'm going to dump it in there. Look at how nice that looks. So actually, if you want to move it around now, you can move it around. Just make sure that you're on the right, you're on the right, that you're the correct layer. So that's pretty good. And you're going to go up to File and Save Image. And you can save it as a JPEG. It's the smallest file. That's great. Let's say for some reason you wanted to come back and change it again. You would, this is the project file, the PXC. So that would be a great project file. But you're going to do JPEG and do like medium or low. It doesn't matter. And hit Save. And save it someplace where you can find it. And then you'll get, you'll post it on the page that says the original and the silhouette. So good luck.